The police assess whether any criminal offence is disclosed by looking at the full facts and circumstances of each case. For example, the import, sale, or distribution of goods with falsely applied trademarks for the purpose of trade is an offence under the Trademarks Act 1998. Where deception is involved, the case may also be classified as cheating under Section 420 of the Penal Code 1871. Buyers who encounter allegedly counterfeit merchandise can file a police report. Regardless of whether a criminal offence is disclosed, buyers can seek recourse by lodging a complaint with the Consumer Association of Singapore case, filing a claim in the Small Claims Tribunal, or commencing civil proceedings in the Singapore courts. The police do not track the data requested by the member.
One of my Clementi residents contacted me. She said she'd filed a police report, having purchased branded merchandise from a seller through the platform Carousel. She says the seller claimed the merchandise was genuine, but it turned out the merchandise was counterfeit. My resident filed a police report and was advised that the case was more of a contractual dispute and was referred to CASE, the Consumer Association of Singapore. CASE told my resident they could not assist because the matter was between two private transactors. So my resident is now wondering what redress might be possible in such situations, especially since she's of limited means and may find it hard to take up a case in the courts.
Coming back to the example that he had shared, where there was a merchandise that was advertised as genuine, but was subsequently found to be counterfeit, there could be an instance whereby the seller either knew in the first place whether the merchandise was genuine or not. So, through the police investigations, if it was found that the seller did not know that the merchandise was actually counterfeit, then a cheating offence may not be the means in which to charge the individual. If, however, the individual knew it was counterfeit, and this is found out through the course of police investigations, but still chooses to advertise the merchandise as a genuine product, then this would be a case under both the Trademarks Act as well as classified as cheating under Section 420 of the Penal Code. The member had shared that his resident had faced difficulties seeking remedies through CASE. I would like to just reiterate what I shared earlier, that the victim can still file a lawsuit to recover damages under the civil remedies route. If the victim, his resident, find difficulties with the legal fees, that she can approach legal aid to explore the options.